we are going to see the users in our WordPress website. So in order to see the users, you need to go to this users tab in your dashboard. If you go to users tab, you can see all the users currently in your WordPress website. This users tab is important. Sometimes you hire a person or you want to give authorizations, you want to give a user role to a colleague to also to edit or update your website. So this user roles are added here. The user roles are added here. So for now our WordPress website have Sintress, this is the main account, and we have a John as an editor. So if you want to edit or delete the user, you can click and delete here. You can delete the user from here, or you can change the role. If you want to add a new user, you need to press this add new button. So when you press add new button, you can see the fields. First field is username, email, first name, last name, and the website. So the required fields are username and email. These fields you can ignore. So let's say I want to create a user called test. Then the email is test@gmail.com. So this email address is important, since sometimes if the user forgets the password, if the user click forget password, the password will be sent to this email address. The first name, last name, and website I will ignore. I will keep it blank. Then the password, if I click the show password, the WordPress will generate a password for you. So we always recommend our customers to use a password that even you can't remember, because the password must be strong enough. And so if the strong password prevents hackers to enter your website. So for now I will use this password, or if you want to use your own password, you can delete and use your password also. I'll use this password, and here we have a send user notification. When the account is created, this notification will be sent to this email address as there's an account created for this user. And here we have a main thing, which is role. So when I click the role, we have administrator, editor, author, contributor, this SEO, editor, agent, and subscriber. Okay, here you can see the different roles and their authorities. So you can see the administrator, you can see the editor, author, contributor, and subscriber, and what are their authorities. And for administrator is the main role, and only administrator can delete or add users. So if you create your colleague as the administrator colleague can delete yourself from your WordPress website. So be careful when you create new roles or new users for your WordPress website. So I will click this add new user. So the user is added. That's how you add a new user to your WordPress website.